Dennison and Associates is a technology consulting firm for associations, and we help associations to select and implement enterprise technology, and we do technology assessments and operational assessments. Before we were using Olive, our clients were overwhelmed by the spreadsheets we were giving them, and getting their feedback on the requirements or prioritizing them was really difficult if we even got that feedback at all. Now with Olive, it's a lot easier for us to pull requirements from project to project where needs are similar, and that saves my staff time and makes sure that our quality is more consistent. And it's easier for my clients to go through and look at those requirements. We can categorize them better. They're able to filter them better. And we can assign requirements to specific people at the client to prioritize them or review them, which means they're not having to look through all 1,000. We can send the right requirements to each department. When we were getting vendor responses and demo scoring in Excel, it could take my staff 20 or 30 hours to compile those scores from the vendors or from the staff on the demos into something useful and put it into graphs and make it consumable. Now with Olive, the vendors put their scoring directly into the system, and we actually don't have to do anything to show how those compare now. It handles it for us. For the demo scoring, we use surveys, which makes it very much clearer to our users how to collect the data. And we do minimal work to pull all those surveys together now, maybe 5 hours. We've been able to standardize our process so that our staff are more consistent. Now with Olive, we've reduced our requirement gathering time by about 50%. And we've seen probably a 25% reduction in overall time spent on our projects. I'm going to be able to hire lower level staff and teach them to do this more easily because of Olive.